I'm Andrew, the founder of The Good Life Abroad. So I had this crazy idea a little while ago. I thought, what if we just followed one of our community members through their journey living in Europe for a month and just had them record their observations, their thoughts, their feelings. Just pick someone to volunteer in one of our groups and follow them through their journey. So that's what we did. And we went out and we asked for some volunteers from one of our Lisbon groups. And we had someone who was already booked. And she thought, this would be a great idea. Let's do it. So you're going to meet Patricia Wynne Brown. And over the next month, every few days, we'll be posting some observations that she's filming in Lisbon. And so before she took off, we just recorded a little bit of video to kind of get to know her, get to know what she's thinking about during the pre-departure process, and then off she'll go. And so tune in every few days to check out and follow along with Patricia. Should be fun.
We've never been there. We've been to many other countries, cities in Europe, but never to Lisbon. And I've been hearing so much about it. And I've been following the Facebook page on The Good Life Abroad to read other people's opinions of it. And everybody seems extremely happy to be there. The thing I always travel with is my leather coat. I don't care what the weather is. I have to have my leather coat. It's a good luck thing with me. And then you can see I'm auditioning my clothes, and don't tell them, but not everybody gets to go on the trip. So the trick is I have to cut things. I've really reduced my packing. I used to have a real big suitcase, dragging it everywhere. But now I take a small one, carry on, and then a medium one that I check. My clothes have to be a community. They all have to get along. And so it's a lot of black and white that goes along. I get a lot of athletic clothing that can pass for, going out at night and stuff, comfortable clothing. And I always dress very comfortably on the plane. So I wear like that long dress there, the black and white dress, and it's like wearing a nightgown. So you can fall asleep in that and feel very comfortable. Scarves can change everything. So, and I take a couple hats with me. That changes everything. I have been certified as a worrywart. I always make a list of things, and my list helps me. And I'll tell you what, Captain Sully Sullenberger, when he landed that plane in the Hudson, the way he was able to do that, he said he went through his checklist right before, and he always did his checklist, even though he was a superb pilot. So you think you know everything that you've got, but the list helps with travel. You have to really ride the wave. You must ride the wave. We go to Europe now for a month every year. The first place was Paris, and it was 2013. I had just gone through cancer surgery for malignant melanoma. It was my second. And I said to him, as they were wheeling me into the operating room, I said, if I live, I want to spend a month in Europe every fall. So we've done Paris several times, Dublin, Ireland, and Vienna. Staying a month does make a difference because we're living like a local. I need to create a home. I need to create a nest. It's a different mindset than being at a hotel because this becomes your home, and it's your home away from home, and you want it to be as comfortable as you can. It doesn't have to be exactly like home, because just stay home if you need to have it exactly like home. I want to live. I want to exist. I want to have a European lifestyle, which is not a go, get it done. It is, I will sit here, I will watch the people go by, and I will have a little wine or a little tea and experience life. So I'm asking everybody, please follow along with me to Lisbon.